back to another video. If it's your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Esther. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up, girl? It is another video for you guys, okay? So before we get started, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe down below and also hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when your girl uploads. So in today's video, it is all about this unit from KlaiyiHair. You guys, yes ma'am, it is another headband wig because I had to bring it to you guys. Come on, headband wigs are taking over the end of 2020 right now, so we get them lace back because I know a lot of people have not been getting lace. They've been so short with lace, so they've been just, you know, selling their headband wigs, and I'm here for it. Now, in case you do not let your baby hair out at all, okay, this hairstyle would definitely be your type of vibe because a lot of headband wigs that I've watched videos of, they are, you know, letting out the baby hair and stuff. And I know a lot of you guys don't have baby hair, or you're cutting your hair short like me, and you simply can't rock a headband wig with baby hair. So I just wanted to show you guys you can definitely rock it without a baby hair, and it's gonna look as good as it would look with baby hair, honey, okay? Now this headband wigs kind of remind me of a U-part wig. In my opinion, you can just push it back and create some hair in the front. I just feel like it's like the best protective hairstyle you can possibly get. You're not losing your edges, honey, because there's no gluing down anything, so that's a plus. And it looks really, really cute. Now today, you guys, I am rocking this beautiful unit from KlaiyiHair. Now this is their 18-inch water wave unit. I did not get it wet. I honestly just grabbed my Tresemme mousse just to bring the curls back to life and revive it a little bit. I have been rocking this unit a lot when I don't feel like doing nothing to my hair, and I honestly don't feel like gluing a lace wig down at all. This has been my go-to unit, and I think it's really cute, okay? Got them perfect little loose water waves, and I'm here for it. Now, I feel like if you want the waves to pop out even more, you can get it wet by getting a bottle of water and dip conditioner. Just spray it down, and that should bring all the curls back to life. Now, you guys, all the details for this unit will be in the description box, as well as a discount code. You guys, I will tell y'all, take advantage of that discount code because it's going to save you guys some dollar bills. Okay, I love y'all so much. Now, Pendesana, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.